Welcome back again. This is Doc. Today we're going to look at a question on the probabilities. Just take your time, watch this video to the end, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that as you prepare and also enhance your mathematical computational fluency, you will enjoy more lessons under my videos. Now let's look at this question. The probability that Ade, Kofi and Fatih will pass an examination are 2 over 3, 5 over 8, and 3 over 4, respectively. Find the probability that the 3 will pass the exam. None of them will pass the exam. Ade and Kofi only will pass the exam. Now this question, you need to take two contentions. The first one, Ade will pass, and when she will not. So Ade pass already is 2 over 3. Then will not. Anytime that you are going to calculate for something that will not happen, the probability that it will happen is 1. So if it will not happen, you subtract what will happen from the 1. So it's going to be 1 minus 2 over 3. And when you subtract 2 over 3 from 1, you are going to get 1 over 3. Now let's look at Kofi will pass and when he will not pass. So Kofi pass has been given to us as 5 over 8. What about will not? Similarly, if Kofi will not, you subtract when he will pass from 1. So take note of that. When you subtract 5 over 8 from 1, you're going to get 3 over 8. Now let's find out the last person, which is Fatih. Fatih will pass is 3 over 4. Will not is 1 minus 3 over 4. And when you subtract 3 over 4 from 1, you're going to get 1 over 4. Now, let's move on. Now, the first question is the probability that the 3 will pass. Now, if the 3 will pass, it means Ade will pass, and Kofi will pass, and Fatih will also pass. Any probabilities? When you say and, it means multiplication. So let's do that. So we have the first one, Kofi and Ade and Fatih. These 3 people will pass. So we are going to have Kofi is 5 over 8 times Ade is 2 over 3, and then Fatih is 3 over 4. So you can do the multiplication. We have 2 goes here, 4, 3 cancel 3. So 3 times 1 times 1 will give you 5. 5 times 1 times 1 will give you 5. And then 4 times 4 will give you 16. So it means that when they will pass, you are going to have 5/16 as the probability. Now let's move on to the second part of the question. None of them will pass. Now the none of them will pass are the values that will not. So it means that you also have to multiply them. So we have none will pass. It means Kofi will not pass, Ade will not pass, and Fati will not pass. So you multiply the three. 1/3 times 3/8 times 1/4. And when you multiply the 3, you will get 3 cancel 3. So 1 times 1 times 1 will give you 1. And then 8 times 4 is 32. Now let's look at the last part of the question. And the last part of the question is saying that Ade and Kofi only will pass the exam. So you need to know that Ade is having Ade and Kofi. So you need to find Ade is 2/3. And then Kofi is 5/8. So multiplying 2 go here 1, 2 go here 4. So 1 times 5 is 5. And then 4 times 8 will get 12. So that is it. Please subscribe and click on the notification for more updates. Have a nice day.